Hello everyone, this is Softex Sahel and today we will see how to bring data from another data set and add into a base report table. So here I have a requirement from users. User want one column in each payable report. That column contains invoice voice GL account. So I have already completed this requirement in each payable report. So first we will see the output, then I will explain the process. So let's begin. So this is age payable report form. Okay, so age to as of today's date, and I have created a new report style. Okay, so I'm going to run this report. So click on the print preview. As you can see on the screen, this is the output age payable report. If you run SSRS base report, it will look like a different way. I'm going to run this also, standard report and print preview. So this is a base report. We can compare to this report. This is base report and customized report. So I have added one account, one column GL account, and there are four columns for different things. Okay, so I'm just focusing on this column GL account. Okay, all columns are same way I have created. I have bring the data is same way. Okay, but I'm focusing on GL account column. Okay, so if you see in SSRS base report, it is showing like this. Okay, I'm going to customize report. Here if you see, this is a debit memo, and it is showing the GL account. Okay, so this is filtered out that I want, means user want that some particular GL account should print, not all GL account he wanted to see. Okay, so according to invoice, I have added this data into this report. Okay, so I hope you understand the output. So we will see how to do this in SSRS report builder. Okay, so we will go into the SSRS report builder and check what I had done. So this is my SSRS report builder. Okay, so I have opened this report in SSRS report builder. So first step, I need to create a data source. If you don't know how to create a data source and how to add the data sets, I have already uploaded the video in my YouTube channel. You can check that video, how to add the data source and data sets, data sets. Okay, so now I'm just showing you that I have added one data sets, data source, and data sets also I have added. Okay, now I need to connect this new data set into this table. Okay, because this table is already connected with the base report, right? This is AP detail data set name. This is already connected with the base report. Okay, if you see connected dataset AP details, there is no GL account column is available. If it's available, I don't need to add in dataset, right? So I have added in dataset 1. If you open this one, there is a seg value 1. So I need to connect this dataset to this dataset, AP detail to dataset 1. Okay, so how to achieve this one? There is one function which is called vlookup function. Okay, so we need to call by that function. Okay, go to the expression, there is a lookup function. Okay, there are two functions, lookup and vlookup. Lookup function is for returning a single data. Okay, and vlookup will return multiple rows like array. Okay, so we have to return only one column, so I have taken this lookup function. So we will see how to lookup function and vlookup function works. So in lookup function, we provide the invoice number. Okay, so it will go to the dataset 1, it will check all the rows and it will find the invoice number. If it's match, it will return the seg value. If there is a multiple invoice number which is matching, so it will return first value. Okay, so first row, first value it will return, and it will show this seg value 1 which is showing into the GL account. And lookupset function is returning multiple values. So I'll show you this function also. I have added in same report. So here there is a lookupset function. Okay, same procedure. I have sent this invoice number, it will match, and then it will return the amount. Okay, seems this function is returning multiple values, So that's why we required one more function called join function. It will join all the values separated by comma. Okay, so we have already seen the output. Now I'm showing you what I have done in dataset. Okay, so I'm going to dataset, right click on dataset properties. I have created simple query and I have added the filters which GL accounts I need to show in the reports. Okay, so this is a query I have added. Okay, and just returning in expression lookup and lookup set. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.